Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, February the 19th at Dollar General. And I have a completely free scenario for y'all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So, it is very important when you are in the store to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store. And here's how I go about checking out whenever I do my Saturday scenario. So first I'll have the cashier ring up all of my items. Then you want to verify that your subtotal is $25 or more. Keep in mind that that is before taxes. If your stores have the newer keypads in place, you will have to ask your cashier. If they still have the older keypads, it will actually show you your subtotal on the screen. Then I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to come off. Again, if you still have the older keypads in place, it will show you which digital coupons have been applied. Then if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. Now, if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, keep in mind you can always void the transaction and try again because your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account, and any paper coupons that you may have handed over will also still work, so make sure that you get those back, regroup, and then try again. Alright guys, so for this first scenario, we have a little household deal here, and we are going to be taking advantage of the instant savings on Scott, Cottonelle, Viva, and Kleenex products. So you'll instantly save $4 at the register when you spend $20 on those items. But we're going to include it in a 5 off 25 and get even more savings. So for this scenario, you want to pick up one of the Viva paper towels 6 count at $6.50, one of the Scott paper towels 6 count at $5.95, one of the Scott bath tissue 12 count at $5, one of the Scott bath tissue 6 count at $3. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Pine cleaners for $2. They are $1 each, found in the dollar aisle. One Lysol toilet bowl cleaner for $1, also found in the dollar aisle. One of the Airwick warmers for $2. 5 of the American greeting cards for $2.50. Those are 50 cents each. One of the Colgate Junior Kids toothpaste for $1, and one of the Crest mouthwash for $1. You can find that in the trial or travel section. So that's going to put your subtotal at $29.95. That $4 in instant savings will come off first at the register, and that's going to bring your new subtotal to $25.95. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Viva paper towels, 1 off 1 Scott paper towels, 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, 150 off 2 Pine cleaners, the 50 cent off 1 Lysol product, 199 off 1 Airwick warmer, the buy one get one free American greeting cards, the 1 off 3 American greeting cards, 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, and the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $9.46 for all 15 items, making each one just 63 cents each. I think that's an awesome deal considering we are getting a lot of paper products. And once you're done at Dollar General, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app because right now we do have a couple of bonuses on those Scott paper towels and bath tissue. So on your screen here, as you can see, we have Scott toilet paper. Spend $20 on Scott toilet paper and get 500 points, which is the equivalent of 50 cents. And that does add up over time. So anytime you buy any Scott toilet paper, I know we also have deals at Walgreens this week as well on Scott products. Make sure that you're scanning those receipts into the Fetch Rewards app so that you can build up and earn that 500 point bonus. And here's another Fetch Rewards bonus that we have on these Scott paper towels 6 count. So when you buy 2, you're going to earn another 500 points, and this does track over time, so you don't have to buy 2 in one transaction. So you could actually do this 5 off $25 deal on 2 different accounts, scan both of those receipts in, and you're going to get an extra 500 points. Plus, like I said before, we do have some awesome deals at Walgreens this week on Scott paper products. And if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I highly recommend this app, especially if you are a new couponer. This is the easiest rebate app out there. You don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about adding anything onto your account or keeping up with anything. All you have to do is go to the store, purchase your products. Once you get your receipt, scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app. You're going to earn points on every single receipt that you scan. And then once those points build up, you can turn those points into gift cards. So go ahead and sign up. And if you want to use my referral referral code. It is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright guys, so for this next deal, I've put together a little personal care deal for y'all. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Dove Women's Fresh Deodorant 1.6 ounces at $5.70. They are $2.85 each. One of the Suave Professional shampoos or conditioners for $3. One of the Vaseline Lavender lotions for $3.70. And one of the Vaseline Lip Therapies for $1.50. Now, I told you all about this glitch in the Good Deals and Glitch List video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you definitely want to go and check that video out. And we'll talk about that in just a second. Then you want to pick up one of the Axe 1.7 ounce deodorants for $2.75. One of the Palmer's lotions for $4.25. Then you want to pick up 2 of these Suave hand soaps for $3. They are $1.50 each if you can find the grapefruit or ocean breeze scent. So those are the only ones that are $1.50 right now. Then you want to pick up the Airwick warmer for $2, one of the Colgate Junior toothpaste for $1, and one of the Crest mouthwash for $1. That's going to bring your subtotal to $27.90. That $2 in instant savings is going to come off first at the register for the Suave and Vaseline products, and that is going to bring your new subtotal to $25.90. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 2 Dove products, the 1 off 1 Suave Professionals, the 1 off 1 Vaseline lotion, the 1 off 1 Axe deodorant, the 2 off 1 Palmer's lotion, the 150 off 2 Suave hand soap, the 199 off 1 Airwick warmer, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, and the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $7.41 for all 12 items, making each one just 61 cents each. Alright guys, next up we are going to go over a little food scenario that I put together, but I wanted to show y'all a couple of new deals that have popped up since I put out the Good Deals and Glitch List video. So we did receive this new digital coupon for 1 off 2 for the Pearl Milling Company pancake or waffle mixes. Those are priced at $2.50 each. So you want to pick up 2 of those, that's going to put you at $5. Use that 1 off 2 Pearl Milling manufacturer digital coupon, plus we have a 2 off 2 Quaker Products DG store coupon. So both of those are stacking and working together, and that's going to leave you paying $2 for 2, making those just $1 each. And we also received this new digital coupon for $2.50 off when you spend $8 on Maxwell House, Philadelphia, and Kraft Singles products. So just in case y'all want to mix and match, you guys will know the deals individually. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Kraft Singles 16 count for $3.75, one of the Philadelphia cream cheese at $2.75, and one of the individual singles Maxwell House coffee cans for $1.85. And after that digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $5.85 for all 3, making those $1.95 each. Alright, so for this scenario, you want to pick up 2 of the Pearl Milling pancake or waffle mixes at $2.50 each, one of the Kraft Singles 16 count at $3.75, one of the Philadelphia cream cheeses for $2.75, one of the Maxwell House coffee cans for $1.85, one of the Chlorine multi-purpose sprays for $2.25, one of the Pinoline cleaners for $1 found in the dollar aisle, one of the Airwick warmers for $2, 2 of the Huggies wipes for $4.20. Those are $2.10 each. One of the Colgate Junior toothpaste for $1, and 3 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $3. That's going to bring your subtotal to $26.80. And here are the digital coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 2 Quaker DG store coupon, the 1 off 2 Pearl Milling products, the 250 off 8 Maxwell, Philadelphia, and Kraft DG store coupon, the 150 off 2 Pinoline or Chlorine products, the 199 off 1 Airwick warmer, the 3 off 2 Huggies, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, and the 3 off 2 Crest toothpaste. Your subtotal after coupons will be $3.81 for 14 items, making each one just 27 cents each. Now, if you've already used your 1 off 1 Crest and your 3 off 2 Crest coupons, no worries, you can use your 5 off 3 Crest and Oral-B products digital coupon, and that's going to bring your subtotal to just $2.81 for all 14 items, making each one just 20 cents each. And last but not least, we have our completely free scenario. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Pearl Milling pancake or waffle mixes at $2.50 each, 5 of the American greeting cards at 50 cents each, 1 Airwick warmer at $2, 2 of the Pinoline cleaners for $1 each, 3 of the Lysol toilet bowl or multi-purpose cleaners for $1 each. You can find those in the dollar aisle. 1 of the Microban multi-purpose sprays for $3.25. 2 of the Suave hand soaps, grapefruit or ocean breeze scent for $3. Those are $1.50 each. 1 of the Vicks Vapo Cool cough drops, 18 count, for $2. 1 of the Colgate Junior toothpaste for $1. 1 of the Crest mouthwash for $1, and 6 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $6. They were $1 each, found in the dollar aisle. That is going to bring your subtotal to $30.75. And here is your list of digital coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 2 Pearl Milling products, the 2 off 2 Quaker products, the 1 off 3 American greeting cards, the buy one get one free American greeting cards, the $1.99 off 1 Airwick warmer, $1.50 off 2 Pinoline cleaners, 50 cents off 1 Lysol products, 1 off 2 Lysol products. And you're also going to need the 2 off 1 Microban spray, the $1.50 off 2 Suave hand soaps, 1 off 1 Vicks cough drops, 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash, 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products, and the 5 off 3 Crest and Oral-B products. Your subtotal after coupons is going to be completely free, plus it's going to give you 24 cents in overage, and that should apply to your taxes, so you're not even going to pay all of your taxes. So I think this is an awesome deal. We're getting $30 worth of products, 25 items for completely free. Alright guys, so that is it for 5 off $25 scenarios. Now I do apologize that I didn't have all of the individual pictures of the coupons laid out for y'all for each scenario this week. I'm actually in the middle of working on a second video for today. Hopefully that will be ready to go later today at the very latest tomorrow morning. So be on the lookout for that, because I found some really awesome deals that I cannot wait to share with y'all. But if you guys need visuals of those coupons, you can go back and check out the Good Deals and Glitch List video. The majority of them that I mentioned in this video are included in that video, and if there's one that I did mention in this video that you're not quite sure what that coupon looks like, just send me an email to crazycoupons1@gmail.com and I will be happy to send y'all a screenshot of those coupons. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you guys good luck with your 5 off $25 scenarios on Saturday. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have an amazing weekend, and I will see you on the next one.